Some secrets hide in silence, while others beg to be told. Today's story follows two teens who stumble upon an old wall that whispers clues from the past. Is it imagination or something more? Try to guess the meanings of the new words and idioms as we go. By the end of this short video, your vocabulary will be 8 words and 2 idioms richer. Welcome to Vocab Trek. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now. It's worth it. Now, let's dive into the story. The Whispering Wall. Max had been stuck at his cousin Ellie's house for a week. She wasn't the most welcoming host, always reading, barely speaking. To break the ice, he said, "Wanna go see something weird?" She didn't even look up. Not really. Wow, the apathy is strong. She sighed and closed her book. Fine, let's go. They walked to the edge of town where an old stone wall sat hidden behind a row of trees. Max grinned. This is it. They say if you listen close, the wall whispers secrets. Ellie gave a condescending smirk. That sounds like the plot of a bad movie. Still, she leaned in and froze. A faint voice. Milo? Tell the truth. Max leaned in too. Did you hear that? Ellie stepped back. It said a name. Milo? Later that evening, while they lounged on the porch, Max couldn't stop thinking about it. I can't stop dwelling on that voice, he said quietly. It felt personal. Ellie, curious despite herself, asked, Do you know who Milo is? Max hesitated, then spilled the beans. Actually, yeah, he was our grandfather's brother. The family never talks about him. He got expelled for something years ago. Why didn't you tell me before? You seemed so disinterested, Max muttered. I thought you wouldn't care. Ellie looked away. Maybe I don't show it, but I'm not made of stone, Max. Her words broke the ice and the tension between them finally melted. You have to admit, Max said with a small smile, a wall that whispers secrets? Kind of intriguing. They researched together that night. Milo had been notorious in the 1950s, not for mischief but for trying to expose a cheating scandal at school. The fire he was blamed for? He was trying to burn a hidden stash of forged exam papers. No one believed him, Max said, reading an old letter Milo had written, and he was never heard from again. Ellie shook her head. All this time, people thought he was lying, but his story doesn't sound implausible at all now. That's why the wall said, Tell the truth, Ellie whispered. She stared at the letter. Poor Milo, everyone thought he was lying, and we just let his story fade. Max frowned. It's time for something drastic. The next day, they went to the town's annual festival and set up a small display with photos, Milo's letters, and a sign, The Truth About Milo Carter. At first, people passed by with apathy, uninterested. But one teacher stopped, then a historian. By the end of the day, a small crowd had gathered, talking, sharing stories, and reconsidering what they thought they knew. New words and their meanings. Apathy. Lack of interest, enthusiasm, or concern. His apathy towards school made his grades suffer. Dwell. To focus too much on something, especially something negative. She tends to dwell on her past mistakes for days. Notorious. Famous for something bad. The alley was notorious for thefts at night. Condescending. Talking down to someone or acting superior. His condescending tone made everyone uncomfortable. Implausible. Difficult to believe, not likely. The idea of time travel seemed implausible but fun. Intrigue. To arouse curiosity or interest. The strange symbols on the map intrigued the kids. Drastic. Extreme or serious. After months of ignoring the warning signs, he had to take drastic action to turn his life around. Lounge. To relax in a lazy way. They lounged by the beach for hours. Idioms. Break the ice. To ease tension and get conversation started. Telling a joke helped him break the ice at the party. Spill the beans. To reveal a secret. She accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. It's time for a fun quiz. What word means someone is famous for the wrong reasons? Option A, notorious. Option B, popular. The right answer is notorious. If something is hard to believe, it is option A, implausible. Option B, intriguing. The right answer is implausible. What do you call it when someone acts superior and talks down to others? Option A, condescending. Option B, honest. The right answer is condescending. Now it's your turn. What's a word you recently learned and now love using? Let me know in the comments below.